If your GoDaddy name servers are showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. This is a simple DNS issue in most cases, and once you correct the name server entries and save them properly, your domain should start working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and domain fixes. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open My Products. This is where all of your domains are listed, along with the settings you need to manage them. Next, under the domain section, click DNS for the domain that is giving you the name server error. This takes you to the DNS management page, where you can review and update the name server settings. Now look for the name server section and open it. This is the part that usually causes the problem when a domain is connected to the wrong server, has a typo, or contains an invalid entry. Carefully check the name servers you entered. Make sure they are spelled exactly correctly, with no extra spaces before or after the text, and no incorrect characters anywhere in the entry. Even a small typo can cause GoDaddy to reject the settings or prevent the domain from resolving properly. Also, make sure you have entered at least 2 valid name servers. Most domains require a primary and secondary name server, so if one is missing, that can trigger an error or cause the DNS setup to fail. If you see anything incorrect, remove the bad entry and re-enter the name servers carefully. Take your time here and double-check every letter, number, and dot. If you copied the name servers from another provider, paste them in cleanly and make sure nothing extra was added. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This is the step that applies the fix to your domain settings. After saving, GoDaddy may take a little time to process the update, so don't worry if the change doesn't show everywhere right away. After that, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. In some cases, this happens fairly quickly, but it can take up to 48 hours for name server changes to fully spread across the internet. During that time, your website or email may not update instantly, so a little patience is important. If the error still appears, go back and review the name server values one more time. Most of the time, the issue is caused by a formatting mistake, a missing name server, or an outdated entry. Fixing those details usually resolves the problem, and that's it. You now know how to fix a GoDaddy name server's error by checking the entries, correcting any mistakes, saving the changes, and waiting for propagation. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.